Okay, so both the oils and our lye have got to about 115 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and combine those now. And the way I do that is I have something poured on because I don't want to pour it straight in there and have it splatter. So I kind of pour it onto the spatula. And I'll get the liquid. If there's any crystals or whatever there, I don't get those. Put that off to the side. And I'll take my, start to mix that together a little bit. As you can see, it's already starting to turn like kind of a milky white. And that's the lye mixture mixing with the oils already. So we're going to fast forward a little bit past this, through this next part because we're going to use the stick blender. And we're going to mix this up until it gets to what they call a trace. And what we're looking for, and I'll show you when we get there, but basically it's when you pick this up and you kind of drizzle the oil or the soap mixture back onto itself, you'll see a trail, a light trail where the soap mixture had landed. Right now it's oil, so when I drop it in there, it just disappears. You can't tell it. Once it gets to a kind of a thicker, not quite as much as like pudding, but maybe like a runny pancake batter consistency. When you drip it back in there, you can actually see where the drops have gone and where the trail of the batter has gone. So when we get to that stage, we'll go ahead and stop the stick blending, and it's considered a light trace, and that's when we'll break the batter out into the 4 colors. One of the things that we'll also do once it hits, probably right before it hits trace, is I'll go ahead and mix in the fragrance, and so you'll see us do that on this as well. So one of the things I forgot to mention is we'll also be putting in our kaolin clay into our soap mixture here now before it hits trace, so that way it's fully mixed into the whole soap batter. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And this was already measured out.